Good morning everyone. I am going to report the LSP categories or the license to exercise security profession. In the overview of LSP categories, there are 19 LSP categories recognized by SOSIA PNP. These 19 categories is divided into 5. The first one is the training rules. The second one is guarding rules. The third one is the specialist rules. The fourth one is management rules, and the fifth one is the government security rules. So let's start at the first, the training rules. So there are 3. First is the training director, training officers, and training instructor. The first one is the training director. The training director, they are the oversees the entire security training program. They design the facilities, create training standard, and manage training school for security personnel. And the second one is the training officers. So they are the one to implement training program for security guards or personnel. They make sure trainees meet the requirements set by regulation bodies like the PNP or the SOSIA in the Philippines. So the third one is the training instructor. They are the delivered actual lesson, or sila jud to mismo ang sa actual training na sa mga marksmanship, lecture and practice, mga exercise the security training. Kumbaga sila, they are the teacher in the security training. Proceed to guarding role. So there are 4 in the guarding role. The first one is the watchman. So the watchman, they are perform basic guarding duty function like such as monitoring property, preventing theft, and reporting incidents. They are usually unarmed, so watchmen like sila nagabantay lang sa mga lugar-lugar, magtanaw. Wala na sila dala baril, kumbaga kung naa sila makita is ila report din nila sa katataas. So the fifth one is the security guard. So this is common or provide protection of people and property. They may be armed or unarmed, like, and are the most common personnel in the security industry. Like kanang pinaka-common na to makita, like mga security guard baskin sa Jollibee, sa Gmall, sa Abrisa, they are the security guard. So the sixth one is the canine handler. So the canine specialist in working with trained dogs or the canine units for detection for explosive, narcotic, or the patrol duties. So the canine handlers, they are the one like special group for specific threat like bomb threat. If nasa sila makita or na-report ka bomb threat, ang canine units ang mo proceed na. And number 7 is the security system designer and planner. So from the word designer and planner, they are the one expert who design and plan electronic, like example sa mga electronic device na security like CCTV, alarm, and access control, like kung asa nila ibutang, asa nila dapat nakaset. So sila ang nagadesign sa mga security system. Number 8 is bank and armored guard. So special guard tasked with protecting bank cash in transit and armored vehicle transporting money or valuables. Like kanang makita nato nga armored car nga naay mga tao nga naga-deposit or naga-cash out sa cash gikan sa isa ka lugar sa bangko or sa mall ba na, mo na sila ang bank and armored guard. Proceed to special role. So the special role, like I said earlier, there are security system designer. Mo na sila ang expert to design like plan electronic devices or technology like CCTV, alarm, or emergency exit. So and number 9 is the protection agent. So similar nila sa mga bodyguard, they provide close-in personnel protection to VIPs, executive, or high risk individual. Like mo na sila katong kasagaran na nakapulog puti gani sa mga VIP person nga body contact yun mag-protect, like sundan yun nilang isa katao. Mo na sila ang mga protection agent. The number 11 is the private detective. So ang mga private detective, they are licensed professional who conduct private investigation, surveillance, background check, or intelligence gathering. So from the word private, mo na sila mga detective nga kanang puno paniid lang, like mga intel, mo na sila mga private detective. Proceed to management role. So from first one is the security officer, or number 10. Security officer, supervisory position over security guard. They ensure compete with the security process, oversee and guard assignment. So They are the security officer or head mo na siya ang ga-assign kung asa ibutang sa officer, siya ang ga-manage kung sabi dapat kung dito kay deploy. Baga siya ang nagunit sa isa ka security agencies, ang isa ka security officers. So the security manager. So security manager is the responsible for overall management. So overall na siya sa iyahan na tanan of a security agent or department. They plan, mo na sila ang nagaplan, ga-organize, ang direct security operation. And the 13 is the security consultant. So provide expert advice to companies, organization, or improving security measures, policy, and risk management. So mga security consultant di sila, mo na sila ang gakuan sa mga company, sa mga kuan nga mo ni among security, kung sa dapat i-improve, kung sa dapat i-measure, o kung sa mga risk management. So number 14 is the company security officer or the manager. In-house manager of security operation within the company. Unlike private agency, manager, they serve only one employee. So sa mga private agency, nag-manage sila isa ka employer, while ang company security is in the house o sa tanan sa ilang agency sa mga security. And the last one is the company security guard. Supervise company employed security guards, ensure compliance with internal security policies. So dako po sila role sa isa ka management, no, like sa isa ka company sa security, naabot sila ilahang security or company security officer nga likayan nila nga mga leak ang mga data or naabay mga mag-hack sa mga system sa isa ka security. Last 3 is the government security roles. So number 17, government security officer. Supervisory role within the government security force, oversees security guards and ensure adherence to government regulation. So mao na sila mga government security officers, or mahulog gyapon sila og mga law enforcement sa isa ka government. So number 18 is the government security guard. So provide protection service for government facilities, asset, and official. So ang kalahian nila sa mga common lang security guard, while kanang government is ang proteksyonan is government property, like sa mga city hall. That is one is the government property. So they ensure and they put a security guard that work for government only. Number 19 is the government security manager. So as kapareha gyapon sa mga security agency, nahapod sa sariling government security manager nga kana siya nga agency is for government only. So naapod na sila manager nga ga-manage asa ibuta ang mga security guard nga naka-assign. Last one is the there are question or complaint nga nakay concern about sa EMD, SOSYA, or PNP hotlines. This is the official hotline number. So you can contact for any concern, issues, or clarification related to security agencies, guard, and LSP categories. So